Popped in a 7-Eleven some ice cream, obviously. I'm only this is my fourth one. This is today. I don't have any more. I normally have 12. Yeah, you had 12. And look at this, like a kilo passion fruit, £2.50. Kilo mango, just under at £1.75. Kilo citrus satsumas or something like that. Clementines, £1.50. I forgot those pinky things are, but they're really, really nice, and that's £2.50 as well. Pineapple is £1.50 or 35p each. So it's super cheap, and they've got cucumbers and tomatoes up there. And also, it's super cheap, and they're organic. Not only they're organic, got less pesticides, herbicides, insecticides. The shops in the UK are telling you that are organic in the first place. And if you're worried about all that, get your food, whatever it is, strip it down. If it's a banana, if it's a vegetable, stick it in some bicarbonate of soda, and that will extract the poisons, insecticides, herbicides and pesticides in 10 minutes. Wash on the tap, eat them then. If you want to use purified water, do so. If not, don't worry about it. And have a little tip for you.